Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of art creation, focusing on how to transform raw wood and stone into breathtaking masterpieces. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, I'll guide you through the creative process step by step. So, grab your tools and let's get inspired to turn these natural materials into stunning works of art. Absolutely. Transforming raw materials like wood and stone into art involves a blend of creativity, skill, and technique. Here are some steps often taken in the process. 1. Conceptualization. Start with a vision or idea. Sketching can help clarify the design. 2. Selection of materials. Choose high-quality wood and stone. Different types have unique textures and colors. 3. Tools and techniques. Utilize tools like chisels, saws, and sanders for wood, and chisels, hammers, and grinders for stone. Techniques vary from carving and shaping to polishing. 4. Shaping the material. For wood, this may involve cutting, sanding, and joining pieces. For stone, it may include chiseling and grinding to achieve the desired form. 5. Finishing touches. Apply finishes like oils, stains, or sealants for wood to enhance appearance and durability. For stone, polishing can bring out its natural luster. 6. Display. Consider how the artwork will be displayed. Base, lighting, and placement can enhance its impact. 7. Reflection. Take time to reflect on the process and the final piece. Each creation is a unique expression of your vision. Would you like to explore any specific techniques or projects? Sure. Let's delve deeper into each step and explore some techniques. And tips for transforming wood and stone into art. 1. Conceptualization. Brainstorming, gather inspiration from nature, art history, or personal experiences. Sketching, create rough sketches to visualize shapes, sizes, and details. 2. Selection of materials. Wood types. Hardwoods, example, oak, maple, are great for durability and fine detail. Softwoods, example, pine, cedar, are easier to carve and shape. Stone types. Marble is favored for its beauty but can be challenging to work with. Soapstone is softer and easier to carve, making it great for beginners. 3. Tools and techniques. Woodworking tools. Chisels, for carving and shaping. Saws, for cutting large pieces. Sanders, for smoothing surfaces. Stone carving tools. Point chisel, for rough shaping. Flat chisel, for smoothing and detailing. Angle grinder, for polishing and finishing. 4. Shaping the material. Wood techniques. Carving, use chisels to create intricate designs. Joinery, techniques like dovetail joints can strengthen your pieces. Stone techniques. Direct carving, start with a rough block and gradually refine it. Additive techniques, use smaller pieces to build larger forms, example, mosaic. 5. Finishing touches. Wood finishes. Oils, example, linseed, enhance grain and provide protection. Stains can add color while revealing the wood's texture. Stone finishes. Sealers can protect against stains and enhance color. Polishing compounds give a glossy finish. 6. Display. Mounting. Consider using platforms, frames, or stands that complement the artwork. Lighting. Positioning can dramatically affect how the artwork is perceived. Use spotlights or natural light. 7. Reflection. Documentation. Keep a journal or photograph the process to track progress and techniques. Feedback. Share with peers or mentors for constructive criticism. Additional tips. Safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with tools, especially for stone dust. Practice. Start with smaller projects to build confidence and skill before tackling larger pieces. Experiment. Don't hesitate to try new materials or methods. Art is about exploration. Would you like to focus on a specific material or technique further? Thanks for joining me on this artistic journey. I hope you feel inspired to pick up your tools and start creating with wood and stone. Remember, every piece tells a story, so let your creativity flow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more art tips and tutorials. Share your creations in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.